All right, let's make a start with your IELTS speaking test. We are going to go on with speaking part one. So, do you like chatting with your friends or family members?
Yes, I love to chat with my friends and family members. Whenever I get free time, I do chat with them.
Okay, so this should be proper conclusion to your answer. Whenever I get free time, I do chat with them and then there is no ending. So therefore, I always enjoy when I am having a conversation with my family or friends like that. Okay, let's go on. What do you talk about? Or whenever you go for chatting, what do you talk about?
Well, with friends, we always discuss our university time, and we love to memorize that moments which we spent together in past. There are many occasions. Other than that, we'll talk about the shopping, the current fashion, um and the recipes we share with each other.
Okay, do you prefer to chat online or physically, face to face?
Well, I prefer to chat on physically, but due to the hectic routines and the distances which we are living far away from each other, so online is the best option to communicate with them.
All right, that's good. Do you like any social media website for chatting?
Website, I use different apps to for chatting, like WhatsApp, Telegram, and through Facebook Messenger.
Okay, this answer is short. So many of your answers are short. They are not properly organized, and there should be a proper conclusion to your answer. Now we move on to speaking part two. This is your topic, and you will have to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes. Yes, please.
Well, a character which I would like to describe, and I still remember, is a character from an Indian movie, that is PK. The character it was performed by an fabulous actor Amir Khan, uh, and it was an amazing character, and he was it was like an alien character. And I watched this movie back in 2014. When I saw that the promo of the movie, I was waiting for the movie to release, and I watched, so I can go to cinema to watch this movie. The character was about an alien who came to this world incidentally, and he find the thing. He was amazed to see the people, how people are living there, and how they are spending their lives, especially about the idea of God. He was amazed that how superstitious people are there as we are the human beings, and we should be the most intellectual creation in this world, but that alien was shown so, his character shows was very cute and intelligent also. He picked up the things which.
Okay, thank you. Can I get the topic, please? Now, when you speak on the cue card, it's a very good idea to organize your answer and to cover the whole thing, like a character from a movie. You talked about the movie, but then they say, who is this character? When did you watch the movie and what was the character? So try to elaborate further. And you're making two type of mistakes. Number one, tenses, right? And second is a little bit about pronunciation. So just try to brush up these two things. Now we move on to part three. Why do young people follow heroes from movies?
Well, it comes from their schools. In school, there are children, young people discuss the current affairs, and due to the social media, when everyone is using social media, so. Uh,
Okay, this answer is not relevant to my
your
question.
question is
So
hold,
yeah, that's the point. So you need to keep the question clear in your mind. Okay, what type of movies will be popular in the future?
Uh, I think movies about the current affairs, our daily lives, that would be more popular. If we uh, uh, instead of the movies which are not realistic, they will not be that popular. But if they are filmed on our daily routines, our challenges, then they can earn a good business.
Okay, thank you. Your answers are short as well. So try to work hard all through your speaking. Okay, thank you so much.